start. So I'm gonna try and use it. You can see it's not working. The car is on, as you can see, but it's not working. Nothing works. So it has the light of this, but it doesn't work, as you can see. Okay, just reboot it. But it takes a long way to start. If you can see, it doesn't start. I'm gonna wait around 1 minute so you can see the radio doesn't start. Yes, the radio don't work. So as you know, this doesn't take around 1 minute to start. So I'm showing this. Yeah, so you've seen around 2 minutes now and the radio doesn't start. And it doesn't work. It reboots and then it stays like this. I don't know what's the problem.